Obviously I just got the load, and you know how it is with sprinters, there's always something breaking down, and I was trying to speak to the guard check and my window now won't go up, it's just sliding down, so now I have to actually fix it. And I wanted to make a video about this for a very long time, how I did like a permanent fix, because there's this little metal thing that kind of goes in and out and stuff. There's like a plastic tab. I could fix it without actually that plastic tab. That's actually what breaks, and then that's it. So it's like, you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna pull over and fix it. So I'm just gonna do it. Supposed to just try not to break it. Hold this electronic portion pushing out. Might be doing this in reverse. I wasn't really sure which portion you should take out first. So it looks like I needed to remove this first, but I haven't done this for a while. It looks like there's a Torx type of bolt in there, and we got a Torx one inside. So now I gotta look for those. I gotta get this one loose. And this one, I believe it's a T30. Let's give it a try. Too bad it's non-magnetic. This should be it. And then I'm supposed to pop this off. Now you can see the window, which has fallen all the way through. Gotta fish these wires out one by one. And now we have a little bit more clear visibility. Okay, so what we need to do now is get the door to slide back down. Okay, this piece. Now that it's down, this is good enough. Now I need to go ahead and raise the window. you could see, the plastic piece inside has broken, resulting in this type of thing. But I guess I will remove some of this grease here, stick it down in there. The rest of the piece we don't need. Now, as far as this piece goes, last time I did a permanent solution. See, I need to keep this window from going down. I did a permanent solution, and that is by taking this right here and just bending it. Okay, this is good enough of a bend. You can do just a little bit more. The reason we want to bend it, when we slide it in, it's never going to pop out again. But now I have greasy hands. I don't want to put this all over my window because that's going to create quite a mess. So all I gotta do now is slide the metal piece into that socket. As you can see, it just simply goes in there. So now we turn it on and we have a working window that will never fail again. Guys, now I gotta put everything back together. So I'll put in twisting the key off. Go ahead and removing all these sockets. I guess I got what I wished for. I was driving down here and I was thinking, you know, I need to make a video about this. How to actually properly remove your door. I mean, fix the window permanently. And looks like I got my wish. It's not quite what I was hoping for, because you never seem to get what you wish when you're at home. And instead I had to fix this on the road. So now it's going to be the idea of aiming it inside of those holes, sticking it up against it, basically put it inside of the holes and then slide it down. So now it's in. So now I must put these bolts back. Okay, that one is in. Gotta do one more. Okay, that one is in. Uh-oh, man. This little electrical connector didn't quite fish out of there, which is not good. I need to loosen it now. Okay, that ought to be enough. All right, so now where is, oh, we can stick that bottom piece back. Now I'm wondering, make sure that I didn't get it mixed up and install the left window in a different type of socket. I'll have to test this now. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. Possibly reverse the connections. Let's see if this works now. Okay, now it works. I just had it upside down. So now we got that portion in. So everything is in correctly now. The final puzzle is sticking this back. So it looks like this piece did not want to come out, and I hope it does not break. So I'm gonna stick this tab back in here and install it like so. And now we're ready to go. Guys, I hope you really like this. This is something I wanted to do for you guys for a very long time, because this fix did not require any parts and typically need a plastic part. But by actually bending that metal piece, it keeps it snug in there and it's never going to come out anymore. So now I got a dependable window. This is the way I fixed my million-mile Sprinter, guys. So take care, God bless you, have a good one.